David's a prophet. Show me where in the Bible where David's a prophet. Show me in the Bible where David's a prophet.
Okay, I will.
Take it
I will.
Show me where in the Bible where David's a prophet.
I will.
Show me then.
I will.
Show me.
Calm down.
Show me. Now, we're gonna see where the Bible says David's a prophet. I was trying to. I didn't want to go there.
Wait.
But
I got your question. I got your
I want to
question.
see where David is a prophet.
Okay.
Jesus is a prophet.
Okay.
Samuel's a prophet.
Okay.
Show me David's a prophet.
I asked you. I asked you. Wait. Hold on a second, guys.
Show me where David's a prophet.
Yes. Calm down. Okay. Now I'm coming back to you.
The hole is getting deeper.
Yeah, of course I'm going into it right now. Watch what happens.
We want to see where David's a prophet in the Bible.
When I asked you earlier,
Show us where David's a prophet.
I'm talking now.
I don't want to hear you talk no more.
Acts 2:30 say David was. So, Acts 2:29 to 30. Fellow Israelites, I may say to you confidently of our ancestor David that he both died and was buried, and his tomb is with us to this day. Since he, David, was a prophet.
You didn't expect that, did you? You didn't expect that, did you?
No, guys.
No, maybe have a
So listen.
No. Let's not mock him. We don't need to mock him.
No, we don't need to mock him.
Guys, we don't need to mock him.
He's the brother. He can make a mistake. No problem. He can make a mistake. No problem. Okay. So he made a mistake. It's clear that he made a mistake.
Acts 2:29 to 30.
It's clear that he made a mistake. So now
He made a mistake.
So because he was a prophet, and God had sworn to him to seek one of these servants. Okay, so David was a prophet.
yeah, so David was a prophet. Right.
That's right.